Okay, my viewers all over the world, I want to share with you today about 4 remedies for a lean purse. You have been looking at it, how am I spending my money? How are things going to get better? Expenses keep coming in, you don't know how to control it, you don't know what to do. But I want to share with you today, I can understand your position as a man or woman over 40, 50 years, expenses keep coming in, and what you are getting cannot actually take care of it. Now, for your business you are doing, we thank God, and you have a business that you are doing. Now, I want to advise and I want to talk to us today for a better way of managing our resources. Number one, we need to understand that every expenses that you are incurring, every money that you are spending, you need to pay yourself. Whatever that is coming in for you, pay yourself first. And how do we do that? By separating 10%, if of whatever that is coming in for you, by separating it for yourself. This is to plan for a future. You don't know what's going to come up tomorrow, but you need a security, you need a guarantee. Even that you have something kept somewhere. That is number one thing. Pay yourself first. If they give you 100 naira or $1,000, $100 is yours to keep. Then you have to manage in 90%. 10% is yours, 90% is for you to manage and live within the budget of the 90%. Don't go beyond the 90%. 10% you keep it aside. That is number one thing you have to do. Don't put yourself under unnecessary pressure. Oh, I have expenses here and there. There will always be expenses. Bills will always be coming. But it is your responsibility to keep this bill within your control. Don't let this bill affect your future plan, which is the 10% you are keeping aside. So number two thing you need to do is look at your expenses. What are those things that you are actually spending money on? Control your expenses. You need to learn to control your expenses. When you control your expenses, you are sure that you'll be shocked at something that you are doing that you are supposed to really not to be doing, or some situation you put yourself that you have to actually see and look at it as something that you have to manage. So you need to control your expenses. Control your expenses. Then number three thing is the 10% you are keeping aside. You need to look for a way to make it to multiply, because that is when you begin to have wealth created. That is when you are creating wealth. You need to manage. You need to multiply. See how you're going to multiply even this 10% you are keeping aside. It's very important. Maybe you have to look for businesses or something, or maybe you go to money market and then make a deposit, collect, let it create for you. Don't let the money life follow without yielding. It has to be yielding for you. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to guard your treasure from loss. There are scavengers. There are things that will be calling for your attention. There are businesses that will look as if they are very good, looking for maximum profiting in businesses. These are very attractive, but it can bring problems. So you need to guard your treasure from loss. Now, about 5 things I'm going to share with you. The remaining one I'm going to be sharing during the next video. I'm going to review the remaining 3 points during the next video. So let's go back on the point that we have discussed. Number one, start your pause fattening by setting aside 10% for yourself. Whatever that comes in for you as a profit in businesses, set aside 10%. Then number two, control your expenditure. Don't spend under necessity, or don't do impromptu spending. Always do budgeting and control your expenses. Number three, make your goal, make your investment, make your savings multiply. Let your savings they multiply. It's very important. Put them to work. Don't let them land fallow. Put them to work. Number 4, guard your investment from loss. Scrutinize. Make sure that you look at what you intend to do critically, where you're going to invest your money. Make sure that the first thing is, how will the money come back? How will my money come back? That should be the first thing that you have to look at. And I'm telling you, by the time you plan and practice this for the next 1 to 2 years, 3 years, and you come back and begin to sleep, you'll be so happy at what you have done for yourself. It's very important. Don't play with your future. Your future is important, and you need to plan and plan well. And this is one of the best ways to plan well. Because when you have investment in place, you can relax, you can retire at a very good age without looking forward to people or begging people for money to help you. Very important. Thank you.